3, 2, 1.
Everybody wave, say hi! So today we're going to be making our own bottle rockets. We're going to put some baking soda. Now, when we put baking soda in here, the reason we're doing that is because we're trying to create a gas reaction that when you mix vinegar and baking soda, it creates a chemical reaction to make a gas. So that gas, when the gas gets made, the molecules expand, and when those expand, it causes a reaction. So let's build the other two, and then we'll go outside and we'll try the explosion part, okay?